Hey guys, this is Matt. So today we're going to talk about the reverse transposition cipher. And this is part of the cryptography on simple ciphers, where we discuss the mathematics behind each simple cipher. And today is going to be a little different. Um, this particular cipher is the simplest of them all. We've all been doing it for a very, very long time without realizing it. And I'll just show it to you now. So number 3. We'll put it in string, that's fine. Oops. So all we're doing is we are just reversing the entire phrase or the entire string itself. Now, um, this comes in a variety of different ways. We can do the entire string, you can do it per word, but all you're doing is the math is really within how it's printed out. And we can even, so this is what we're looking at right here. So all we're doing is we've put in our phrase or the string, and we're simply taking the length of it minus 1 and saying, okay, so I want you to continue with this loop. So continue to print it out or see out at position whatever it's at. So it's basically just going to print it backwards is all it's doing. This is one of the simplest ciphers, so that's why this won't take very long for this video. But of course we're going to be going into a lot more difficult ciphers coming up here very soon. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any ciphers that you want to see broken, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help where I can. If you need help with some math on a cipher that you're actually having issues with, that's fine. Let me know. There will be more ciphers coming out with a lot more math behind it. So have a good day, and thank you.